What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. All right, guys, so back to work on the 96 OBS Chevy. On this video, what I'm gonna try to do is get the AC situated because well, I just recharged it right now, and it actually blew cold air. So step one is done. The next thing is I think the not the blower motor, the man, what's it called? The little radiator inside the dash. I think it's dirty and it's not letting air blow through. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna pull off the blower motor fan, and let me turn you guys around so I can show you. But as you can see here, this is the blower motor, the fan that actually blows the air in the truck. And I'm pretty sure the radiator in here, I think it's not the evaporator. The evaporator is somewhere over there. But yeah, I think it's dirty. So what I'm gonna do right now is pull this off and take a peek in there. And if it's dirty, we're gonna undirty it. And as you can see here, my father-in-law kind of got to work on it before. So yeah, uh, I'm gonna see right now, because I mean he gave us the new blower motor, and then he gave us the radiator for here. But man, that's a lot of work, so it's gonna stay for now. But for now, we're gonna pull this up. So let me go ahead and get my tools, guys, and we can get to it. All right, so here we go. Got it out, and it's gonna have 5, 7, 30 seconds uh, screws, and then it's gonna have those two right there for your ground and your power. And on this one, the purple one is the power. So I'm gonna say that right now before I forget. And then all you gotta do is disconnect that, and the blower motor should come out like so. Since I was using it right now, kind of hot. So yeah, just be careful, guys. Oh, and there we go. All right, so as you can see there, uh, I'm gonna look through here, and that's where I'll find out if it's dirty or not. So I'm gonna get the phone off of the the little holder thing I use, and I'm gonna show you guys in there. All right, guys. So in y'all go, and it doesn't look too bad. It is a little bit dirty, but nothing to worry too much about. So what I'm gonna do is probably blow that out or stick the water hose in there if I can and wash that off and see if all that trash will come out. But it doesn't look too bad. I thought it was gonna be worse, but it does have trash. All right, guys. So got the vacuum ready to go. Hopefully it doesn't charge me a lot, but I think I'm gonna skip going through, well, showing you guys all the sucking that's gonna take place because it is really noisy, and I don't want to annoy y'all guys. So yeah, I'm gonna skip all that, guys, and hopefully it pulls out most of the trash in there. So let me go ahead and do that. All right, guys, and well, there we go. As best as I could. I did get a brush and try to brush it off a little bit, but as you can see, uh, well, it did help a little bit. Not as much as I would like to, and then the vacuum's not strong enough, so yeah. But looks a little bit better. So now, what I'm gonna do, hopefully, I don't have a lot of static because I got the mic in my hand. I'm gonna try to put the new one on there, but before I do that, I'm gonna test the old one on camera so y'all can kind of see the difference, if there's any, between this one and the new one. So let me set this up, guys, and well, we'll see. All right, guys. Hopefully, y'all can hear me. But that's at full speed, and yeah, it shuts off. So I don't know if it's me moving it, but that's the second time it does it. So yeah, we're gonna replace it. All right. So hopefully, y'all can hear me. But that's the new one. No weird noises. It's pretty smooth. Hopefully, I can hear me. But yeah, we're gonna be putting this one on there. All right, guys. Well, it is on there, and I kind of wish I would have done the paper test so y'all could see how it blew with the old one and before cleaning it. And man, it's a whole difference, a big difference. It actually blows AC through all the vents now. Um, I'm pretty sure cleaning helped. So before y'all buy the blower motor, man, clean up the little, man, I don't even know what it is, but clean it up before you spend 100, 200, whatever, um, trying to fix it. So yeah, man, that feels really good now. It is still kind of low on Freon, so I'm gonna have to buy a bottle. But man, even maybe it's like a bottle low, but even then it still blows pretty cold. So you know, go Chevy. So I think what I'm gonna do right now is actually wash it. Well, I'm gonna go wash it because I was hoping I would fix the AC so I could start driving it. Because well, I want to see if any more issues pop up or anything. Which I mean, it doesn't have as it is. So yeah, guys, it's a solid truck. It hasn't. Well, I haven't driven it in a few months, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with the outcome for today, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys me washing it. It looks pretty much the same since there's no good paint on it. So yeah, I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit more, and hopefully the wife gets home. And we're also gonna go out to eat, so we might as well take this one. So all right, guys. So I did a little walk around before I moved it, and well, it looks like it's gonna need tires sooner than I thought. This one's not that bad, but as you can see, it has a few spots, and they're pretty dry rotted because I mean the truck just sits for long periods of time, and well, yeah, I'm not gonna be dailying it. anytime soon. Uh, yeah. So I mean, I am gonna take it to wash, but the car wash is only like 5 minutes away, probably less. So it should be safe. If not, then I got this one and I got that one to go rescue me. So guys, and this is the part I changed out from the Ford that kept making it shut off. So yeah guys, we're gonna go ahead and take it to get washed, or I'm gonna wash it. So yeah, let's go guys. Alright guys, pues ahí nomás quedó lista para el fin de semana. Sadly, it's Monday, so gotta wait. But yeah, that's pretty much it on this video guys. Just a quick little fix on the OBS. Now we have air, but I kind of don't want to drive it far because of the tires. I ain't trying to blow them up, and then we got to fix the wheels. So yeah, it's only gonna be driven close by. So yeah, that's what that's gonna say. And well, hopefully on the white OBS, the Chevy, the single cab. Hopefully I can get to it soon because well, I worked Saturday and Sunday, which was the day I was supposed to pull the motor out the red truck. So that didn't happen. But we're getting close to finishing up that house over there. So hopefully I have some time to get to it, guys. So yeah, but you know, can't complain. I got a job. Well, we got work for now, so thank God. Uh, but that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember, like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, uh, TikTok. I don't post that much there, but you can follow me there too. So that being said, guys, we'll catch y'all on the next one.